Yeah. Big gas. Took a loss, I got back and shit. Straight to it, stack the shit. Self-made, no handouts. Never asked for shit. First to death, casket shit. Puff, puff, past the shit. Old heads was trying to preach words on some past the shit. My dad wasn't dead, and he left me on some bastard shit. See my mom struggling. I got on some trapping shit. Was on the block, flipping like kids on the mattresses. Cops hit the spot, they was flipping over mattresses. If you never learn from your mistakes, you want some backward shit. Bunch of ups and downs, all this adding and subtracting shit. Swear these niggas act like females, bunch of actresses. Started off a worker, now I'm running shit. Laxative, like damn, when it come to wearing, peep the craftiness. My man, turned to Uncle Sam, got on some taxi shit. Understand, I really ain't a fan of all this rapping shit. Them grams, really made that 10 do a magic trick. Disappeared, listen here, Pirates P, vision wear. Bad chick, fix her hair, Yamaha, switch the gear. When Lord bro touch, I put him on a bike. Know a couple hitters, put him on your life. You was on the gram, putting on for likes. Louis shades, sit him on my site. I don't wanna see these niggas. I don't wanna see these niggas. I can't believe they believe these niggas. I can't believe they believe these niggas. I make it look easy like Eric White. Shovel with that snow, how I carry white. Got this check on me like a pair of Nikes. Used to play that grid, y'all, like every night. I was on a roll like a paradise. Is he hot? Is he cold? What's the Fahrenheit? This gas that I'm smoking got me scared of heights. All black, red beam, that's a scary sight. Glock with the deep voice like Barry White. Yeah, I don't wanna see these niggas. I don't wanna see these niggas. I can't believe they believe these niggas. I can't believe they believe these niggas.
SK the